I've never seen a front opening hood Miata before, so let us know where we're going with here.
It's a 72 Triumph Spitfire.
And what have you got done to the car?
All of it. It's a 1500 engine. Been in it a couple times. Weber downdraft. Electric fans. That's about it. Yeah.
You know the power on it by chance?
No, maybe 180.
180 in this little...
80
Oh,
power, maybe 100.
I was like, holy...
Yeah, I love
A 180 in this little thing? Oh my God, you might die on the way home. You do the paint and in the interior too?
Oh, yes, sir.
What, have you headed to a track or dyno or anything like that? Anything fun at all? You should take it in California and just have the greatest time of your life.
Oh, yeah, that'd be nice. Long ride.
It's worth the drive. Yeah, how long you had the car?
About 15 years.
15 years.
Probably driving 12 or so.
That's pretty impressive right there. And you've done all the work yourself or had to outsource?
Me and my dad done all of it.
Where else do you take it besides the British Car Club?
I just stay around in Columbia.
Just around here in South Carolina?
Yep. Don't go too far with it.
You got to track it one day, man.
Yeah, maybe.
You got. That's what I'm saying. You got to track it and just see what it'll do.
Yeah, maybe we'll see. I know I've hit 100 in it, so.
Yeah, what color is it? Like some kind of midnight blue or purplish kind of thing?
No, it's a Chrysler color, Patriot blue, lacquer.
Well, it's beautiful. You drive it daily, or is it a garage queen?
Maybe once a week or so.
Garage queen, then.
Yeah, garage queen. It ain't a trailer queen though.
And a trailer queen.
Oh, it ain't a trailer queen.
Oh, it ain't a trailer queen. Well, we appreciate your time. This is what? Hang on. You did brakes and stuff too?
Yeah, those are Chinese wheels.
Well, like I said, we appreciate your time. It's a beautiful car, and we appreciate you bringing it out today, man.
All right, thanks.